One of the biggest problems in weld shops is the reflection of welding arcs. Personnel can be subjected to eye burns due to this flash. Introducing Weld Shop Flat Black Epoxy from E.M.P Inc., a tough two-component abrasion resistant with built-in anti-skid will be installed today. We are at an East Coast utility company that have requested Weld Shop Epoxy to be installed on this current floor, which will house their new weld shop at their power plant. The current epoxy on the floor is shiny and can create a danger from the reflection of welding arcs. Using a handheld diamond grinder, the first step is to grind the old epoxy coating to remove degloss as well as give it a surface profile. Old flaking and peeling coatings must be removed. Surface prep is important for proper bonding. Follow proper installation guidelines or call our technical assistants for guidance. As always, when using any power tools, make sure to use proper personal protective equipment. After grinding and surface prep is complete, HEPA vacuum the floor twice to remove all dust and debris, leaving the floor clean to allow the installation of the Weld Shop Epoxy primer. Mix the two components of the Weld Shop Epoxy primer as per instructions. Pour a ribbon of the primer across the floor and spread with a squeegee. A roller is used to even out the primer after the initial spread. Cover all areas evenly and carefully. Allow primer to dry tack-free. We are now ready to install the Weld Shop Epoxy Topcoat. Mix as per instructions using an epoxy jiffy mixer. The process is similar. Pour a ribbon across the floor and spread using a phenolic roller, part number PR702. These may be purchased from us separately. While spreading, make sure to extend the coating out evenly. Any ponding of material must be rolled out. Weld Shop Epoxy has a built-in quartz anti-skid system to prevent slips and fall injuries. This system will produce a flat black anti-slip floor that can outlast most single-component systems like acrylic paints or enamels. Depending on the size of the floor, the Weld Shop Epoxy system can be applied by 2 personnel in 1 or 2 days. We also offer a quick cure primer for a faster turnaround. For full cure, allow Weld Shop Epoxy to dry overnight. As the product dries, it will turn completely flat black. Order your Weld Shop Epoxy system today and prevent eye injuries due to reflections caused by welding arcs.